Okay, when a category is face, you bitches ain't in the race.
Okay.
Hey you guys, so I am here today to tell you guys about when my suitcase was stolen. I think it's been 2 or 3 months since this happened, but I thought like this would be a good video to show you guys because I am using hair from my line in this video, and this is like the hair that got stolen, like like all of this is the hair that got stolen. So I'm using a HD 13x4 curly frontal with 3 matching bundles, I believe 26, 28, and 30. And yeah, I made a custom wig or whatever. This was for myself, and then I did end up reselling it as a used wig. But anywho, you guys know the process. I really don't have to explain what's going on in the video. It's just like a little quick tutorial, like literally. And I'm trying to do like the voiceover as seamless as possible, but you guys know I'm still learning, so bear with me. So we are gonna start it off like this. So I was coming, okay, so you guys may know or may not know, I travel from Las Vegas to the Bay Area like at least 3 times a month. I live in, oh my gosh, I'm messing up already. Anyways, I live in Las Vegas. I am from the Bay Area. I go back to the Bay 3 times a month just to attend to my clients there. So this time, I usually don't bring a whole lot of stuff with me, but this time I brought almost all of my equipment that I have for hair and makeup. So I had my whole makeup kit I had just purchased. I spent $700 to $800 on all that makeup. One purchase I hadn't even started taking clients yet. So pretty much everything was new. And then this was my first time having hair on hand. So with that being said, I brought all my hair to the Bay with me because I know my clients was going to want it. They was going to want to buy it and all that. So I got to the Bay. I did sell some of the hair. I really don't know how much I sold. I haven't really calculated it. But in all, I spent like $5,000 on all the hair I had. I had all HD lace, all mink bundles. I had my raw Indian hair in there. And like that's the good stuff. Like I had my vendor is so bomb. The raw Indian hair, I had all of that in there. Like all of it. Okay, everything. I had 613 wigs, custom wigs. I had that rainbow wig that you guys see on my page. It'll be linked in the description if you guys haven't seen it yet. I literally had everything, okay? Anyways, also I had just took Legend shopping. Like he is getting bigger. Like he's huge. He's almost 2. He'll be 2 in 2 more months, okay? But like babies grow fast, and he's a boy. So I had just bought him some brand new shoes. I had just bought him some brand new clothes. Yeah, just like I literally took him on a big ass shopping spree. And it was mainly his stuff. I didn't have any clothes. I probably had like some of my go-to clothes and all that, but it was mainly his stuff and then all my work equipment. So I leave. I'm leaving not Las Vegas. I'm leaving Oakland Airport, and it's me, my stroller, Legend, and my suitcase. I was traveling with Frontier Airlines, and they had told me that my bag was overweight by like maybe 4 pounds or something like that. So I proceeded to take out my MacBook, 2 iPhones, and my brand new eyes camera. And I don't know if somebody was watching me. I really think the man was watching me. I think who took my stuff. I think he like saw that. I think he was on my same flight. Fast forward, I am at the Las Vegas airport now, landed, and I have to wait for them to bring my stroller up. If you travel with a kid, you have to wait for them to bring your stroller up. So, I know my way around the Las Vegas airport like it's the back of my hand. I can tell you how to get through it and all that. Like, I literally know everything about it. So, basically, I saw the man with my suitcase, and I started freaking out because I'm like, that is my suitcase. Like, I know I'm not tripping. That is my suitcase. Like, what the fuck? And then I told the worker, I cry, all this extra stuff, okay? Long story short, this man took my luggage, hopped in a cab, and was out of there. Like, he took my stuff and he was gone. Police didn't really do anything. Frontier didn't do anything. They gave me $800 for $8,000 worth of supplies. I use them. I fly with them every time. So, like, it's a pattern that I go back and forth for work. I can show them my bank statements. I gave them receipts for every single thing, but they gave me $800. So, yeah, that's pretty much the story.
Looking good, standing tall. Be like your block like